Okay.
Oh no, you did. Never mind, you did.
I'm so excited for my first day of school. I just need to go to my first day. Oh, I have to go to school with Skylar, aka known as the Carissa family. They're really mean and rude. Oops, getting a call from my bestie. Getting a call from my bestie.
Hello? How's your new school going?
I actually haven't gone yet. I'm in the car.
Guess what?
What?
I made the cheer squad.
Really?
And
Congrats.
by the way, like everybody is so ugly here. Wait till you whisper, she's becoming ugly, okay?
Okay.
I mean, not ugly, she's becoming mean.
She's becoming mean again.
Wait, what was that?
Oh, nothing.
Oh, I'm not talking to you if I just say something. You know, you're so ugly. Get on my face.
Who was that?
Sorry about I was talking to somebody else. She's so ugly. I'll call you in a bit. I can't talk to you right now.
Okay.
Bestie.
If you see him in the club.
What color hair should I have?
I don't know.
Should I have like black and green color?
Sure. I don't even know how to get my arms away from this.
Pretend I split my hair when you came in, okay?
Okay. Oh my gosh, where is the place again? I'm so sorry I'm late. I'll be there in a sec. Okay, I'm back at my new school. Whew, that was a bit work. Hey, Skylar, hello? I don't really care. Let's go to cooking class. She's gonna be late, so joke's on her. We want to make a taco. What do I do? Oh, maybe I'll cook some other day. Oops, I need to ask the teacher first. Where's the teacher? Oh, yes. Miss, may I please go to the bathroom? Yes, you may. Thank you. I really need to go to the bathroom. Where did my... Ooh, my friend is calling. Okay. Let me answer it. Hello? Hey, girlfriend. Yeah, I'm sorry. My parents transferred me to a different school, so hope you enjoyed the school. Bye, C's. Wait, what? Now I have to be stuck with the big bully, Skylar. Yay. So much fun. And the worst part of all, I don't have any friends. Literally no friends, no social life. Okay. Huh? don't know what that was. So yeah.
Jump on the mud and jump.
Let's get something to eat. I'm hungry. Couldn't find the bathroom, and I don't know the way.
I don't want to.
Burger.
I have a face.
Hmm.
I'm going to die.
No, it's good.
Eyes?
Slushy.
Yes. Don't let me die.
Just like a moth, don't do a thing.
I'm not letting you down.
Will you pull me in? Oh, hang gliders. Ooh, this is gonna be fun. I'm gonna read what I saw. Let's do that after this. I'm really excited. Woohoo! Got a feeling I'm going under, but know that I'll make it out alive. Perfect! This is gonna be so much fun.
Doctor was evil. Will Rumbley die? And I die? I yeah, because we both die all the time.
How do I hang glide?
Always have to get I live. So I don't need to go to the doctor's. Okay. I need to. It's okay. My eyes are there. I got the last eye.
Ah! How do I stop? Ah!
It's a maze.
Whee! At least I get to have some fun.
It's okay. One eye still there.
Fun.
Everyone died. Let's think of us. Yes. Everybody died. Okay.
Gotta pick up some speed, everyone. Let's go.
Okay.
I just love this. It's so much fun. Ah, this is so much fun. Ow, 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 ow. That really hurt. Ow. Oh, I need to go to lunch. I think I have to go to my dorm. Ow, 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 ow. Now I'm stuck in this boring house. Literally. Might as well just get in some comfy clothes. Perfect. Then dressed, all dressed, ready. My knee really hurts. Perfect. Let me go. My closet. Let's go to the bathroom. Really need to go. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This will be there will be a part 2 to this, and I will be doing some more with my cousin. The thing is she had to go somewhere, so she will be back in the next video. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this so much. Please like, subscribe, share this video with all your friends. Turn on post notifications, and next time, when you turn on post notifications, next time I upload, you'll be one of the first ones to know. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you all later. Bye.